Hello everyone, I am John Adams, the Director of Business Development for SecureComm Wireless, and I just want to take a moment to talk to you today about DMP's 3G Competitor Takeover Program that was recently announced. If you've read any of the material that came out, you'd know right now that we're offering a program where if you replace a competitor's sunsetting cellular communicator, so any competitor CDMA or HSPA cellular communicator, with a DMP LTE dual-com or cell-com communicator, we're offering you a full 12 months of all cellular services as well as any and all SecureComm services that you add to that system. So we're waiving the activation fees, you get a full year of no cellular fees, and then you can add services like Z-Wave. You can add the video doorbell, video cameras, the NVR, you can add video verification, as many services as you would like to that system, and you will not be charged anything for a full year. So we wanted to make sure that everybody is aware of how to make sure that the systems that you're upgrading to the DMP cellular communicators qualify and are registered as part of this program. In an effort to make sure that this program is as simple for you to take advantage of as possible, we only require 3 pieces of information for your cellular communicator to qualify for the 3G Competitor Takeover Program. So, to ensure that the system that you're upgrading is registered for the 3G Competitor Takeover Program, we're going to show you the simple steps that are required in Dealer Admin. First thing you're going to do is create the customer in Dealer Admin just like you normally would. Then when you go to create the system, the first step is always giving it a name. So we'll do that. But when you choose a system type that is either a dual-com or a cell-com, you'll see the box appear for the Competitor Upgrade Program. So when I check the box for the Competitor Upgrade Program, you'll see that we ask for 3 simple pieces of information. The name of the manufacturer that you are replacing, so we'll go ahead and choose that. And then the cell phone number, MEID, or IMEI of the cellular communicator that you're replacing with DMP. So I'll enter that data. And then from here, you'll upload a photo of the competitor's product that you're replacing. So when you're doing this from Dealer Admin, you'll need to have access to that photo from the machine you're logged into. So I'll go ahead and choose that. And you'll see that we've uploaded that now. And from there, you're just gonna go ahead and complete the activation process just like normal. You'll choose your rate plan, you'll choose the associated virtual keypad services. And again, on this system that we just registered, I'm not gonna get an activation fee, I'm not gonna see any cellular fees or any virtual keypad service fees for the first year that it's activated as part of this program. So now, let's go ahead and cover from the Tech app how to make sure that the unit you're upgrading to DMP is registered for the 3G Competitor Takeover Program. So first, I've already created my customer in the Tech app. So now I'm going to create a system, and I'll hit the Add button, and I give it a name. And then, just like in Dealer Admin, when I choose a system type that is either the dual-com or the cell-com, it's going to give me the option for the Competitor Upgrade Program. So I'll go ahead and toggle that on. And now it's going to ask me for the competitor's brand. So I'll go ahead and choose the appropriate brand. It's going to ask me for the MEID or SIM of the unit that I'm replacing. And ask me to update a photo of the competitor's product. If that's already on my phone, I can upload it from my camera roll, or I can take a photo right there. So I'll go ahead and take a photo, and I'll use that photo. And now it's added. So I'll go ahead and just continue my activation process through the Tech app, just like normal. Nothing's changed, but now this system is properly registered so that I'm able to take advantage of all of the benefits of the 3G Competitor Upgrade Program. So thank you for taking a few minutes to allow us to show you how to register your takeovers through the Dealer Admin portal or through the Tech app. You know, we're really excited about being able to offer you this opportunity to not only extend the life of your current customers, but also gain new RMR opportunities. You know, in the past, when there was a sunset of any type like this, it really was just about trying to extend the life of that customer and not losing a customer. But with this program, where we're giving you free services for a full year, not only are you able to go to your customer, upgrade them to a DMP product and extend the life of the customer, but now you're given new opportunities to offer them new services and increase your RMR opportunities from that customer. So for example, when you're talking to the customer about needing to upgrade the unit, you're also able to offer them a video doorbell that is totally functional with that product through the virtual keypad app. And if you're gonna give them the video doorbell, then you might talk about adding an 1108 module, which is also a nice tie into the video doorbell. Or perhaps you're gonna talk to them about offering video services. And once you're gonna offer them video services, you might offer them also an NVR so they can have continuous recording. Or if you're adding video services, you might decide to go ahead and also offer them video verification. All of these are new RMR opportunities. So the more you're able to offer them and sell to them, the more profit you're gonna make on that product within the first 12 months that it is activated. So again, it was our goal in this program to not only give you the chance to extend the life of the customers, but also give you the chance to increase your RMR opportunities and do it in a way that is very efficient and simple. And that's why we chose to do it through the dealer admin portal and the tech app. So again, we're really excited. We want to thank you for spending some time letting us show you how this works. And we also want to thank you for being our customers. Have a great day.